Where's the Uber?
Oh, there's a thing on the top, bro. The top of that crate. There's a little package also. Can you just bring that up really quick? Okay, I'll be able to flick it up with that or what?
Wait, do you have masks?
You flick it up and what's in the back.
Okay, cool. No.
The reason that we all look alike is they're all wearing my clothes. All that shit is mine.
All right, Bo, I got it.
Straight drip. Good job, Bob.
All right, they're getting it from you right now.
What is this?
I'm about to find out. We're about to dig
Celery
in.
face on me.
He sent me a package.
Yo, Loft, you're sure that's not your, container of Coke, right?
Yeah! Fuck off, celery.
Damn. W celery in the chat. Look at they're all spamming.
Yeah. But I think Cokie is an endearing term.
What was that supposed to mean?
Maybe it's a nice thing.
What do you mean by that?
Like, maybe they say that in a nice way. They're like, oh, it's Cokie.
No. You're literally a cokehead.
I'm not! Fuck
All right.
off.
Says open me second, just in case.
Open me
Ooh,
second.
is this from Yachty?
Yes.
I'm gonna open it first, because we can't even open it now.
We have to go, bro. You know what? I'm changing. Now that you said that, we actually do look alike.
Oh yeah, go change while he helps with this. W ran in the chat for help me fucking do this shit. Does it come with a tool?
I'm wearing a black shirt.
What?
What the hell?
Open this shit.
They're saying leaked address. No, they didn't. Stop, bro. Seriously, stop, bro. Stop. Nothing is leaked. Calm the fuck down. Nothing is leaked.
Literally, what is this crate?
There should be a tool in there to open this shit up.
We can
Pull a
even-
gene. All right, bet. 40 minutes to watch it.
Oh my god. Try to open one of these things, Adin. Okay.
Is there a tool in there?
How to use.
What the
What the fuck?
Asphalt, sheetrock, and concrete. I don't know. It looks pretty damn good to me. Try it on.
Pammy, what is
What the
this?
fuck?
What does this
Little
do?
digital screen?
Just put that.
Bro, Yachty, what the fuck did you just send me, bro? Is this a bomb?
I thought he was still on the phone.
Asphalt, sheetrock, and concrete. I don't know. It looks pretty damn good to me. Try it on.
I will try it on, but what the fuck? How do we open this?
I thought he was still
Oh,
on the
this
phone.
is polished
Yeah,
right here.
me too. What?
It's fucked in here, alright? Crete, it's fine on everything.
Where's that knife that you keep in your arm?
Sheetrock, and concrete.
I don't know. I gotta get this open though.
Damn good to me.
Oh, you give me an iPhone charger? Thank you, Yachty.
Yachty's ass. Oh, the thing's a video in it?
Yeah, you didn't see that?
Crete, fine on everything.
I heard his voice and I was like, I know that sexy voice somewhere.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It looks pretty damn good to me. Try it on.
I think the Uber's here.
Crete.
Fuck the Uber.
Thank you for opening the box. It was dark. It's fucked in here, alright? Crete.
Like,
He said it's dark in here.
Asphalt.
Yachty. All right, I need your help. Please open this for me, bro.
I can't.
There's gotta be a tool or some shit that
I'm gonna go
Where
look.
is it?
I'm gonna go look for something.
a present for you, courtesy of Lil Yachty. Crete.
I'll go get something after.
I just need someone to pick it.
It's not fucking.
I think it's broken, bro.
Damn good to me. Try it on.
There's no way I'm gonna be able. I have to hear this 100 times now. How do I get this to stop, Yachty?
Thank you for opening the box. It was dark. It's fucked in here, alright? Crete, it's fine on everything.
Dude.
Asphalt, sheetrock, and concrete. I don't know.
Endless
Looks
loop.
damn good to me.
Wait, did I actually break it?
What's under here? Anything?
Thank you for opening the box. It was
Nothing?
dark. It's fucked in here, alright? Crete, it's fine on everything.
Lauren,
Asphalt,
what was that
sheetrock,
thing you-
and concrete. I don't know.
It was like nail polish.
Looks pretty damn good to me.
You think
Try
you
it on.
hold it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in the box.
Did you
Oh, stickers for my nails. Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah. That knife is heading out.
Crete, fine on everything.
There we go. It's actually gonna work.
Sheetrock.
There you go.
Yes.
Bro, Yachty, how do I get you to stop fucking talking, bro? Seriously.
Yeah.
Thank you for opening the box. It was dark.
Yeah.
Alright? Crete.
What are these?
Asphalt, sheetrock,
Nail polish.
This is nail polish?
I don't know.
So what's in the crate?
Damn good to me.
Hold on, hold on.
Wait, show me it.
Ooh.
Here,
Thank you for opening the box.
just catch it.
No.
What do you mean no?
Look at the cashew.
Can you?
Over there.
Where?
Asphalt, sheetrock,
Quick, throw it over there.
How the fuck?
I did not hit her with that. I swear to God, I did not.
Ow.
Don't say it. Close the box. I did.
Just wait in the Uber. I'll go right now.
Oh, it's almost open. It's that tab, I think. Wait.
Why the fuck is this getting in the way?
What is it?
What if I need your muscles over here?
We almost got it.
It's this thing too.
Okay, I have to break this. Hey, I have to call Yachty back up. What the fuck is this, bro?
What are we breaking? This is opening latches.
Asphalt,
You want me to
sheetrock,
break this thing?
concrete.
I think that's how I do it. 'Cause I
Bro, I
already
need
did
to
this.
wipe your wall.
Y'all niggas are dumb as fuck. How the fuck did you break that shit, bro? You fucking retard. Second, it's only 2 latches, bro. Just pick the 2 latches. These niggas
Dude!
open the whole
What's 2 latches?
I did the
right
two.
there. Them 2 latches at the top.
I already did these.
At the top, just take the
He did already pick them.
on the other end though, bro. On the other end of it. It
Oh,
comes
this
to
one's
the
too.
top.
This one. Let me see.
Oh, that side too?
Like, only thing that's gonna open is the top part. Like, if you pull them 2 latches out on each side, it's gonna, that top part will come off.
Oh, you gotta pull the other side. Okay, we got it. How do I get this to stop talking? Please.
Bro, I don't know. No one's ever broke it before you do shit.
So what do I do?
Just put it on top of the box and put it face down, I guess.
Okay, I got it. We're gonna get it open right now.
Honestly, just break it.
Break this?
Yes, I mean, it's
Do I need this?
that was the backup in case you broke the one in the box, but you broke the backup instead of right.
I see. Okay, I got you.
You're a dipshit, bro.
I love you.
Oh,
We're so late, bro.
I know.
Hold on, I'm trying to. I can't, bro. I can't fucking. Chad, the R word is not TOS. Shut up, bro. Please. Shut up.
You guys better not leave without me.
Oh, but I have to, bro. You literally have to tell me. It's not gonna wait too long.
Yeah. Uber.
They're not gonna leave without you.
It's not an XL, so they don't wait long.
Dude, I need to fucking stomp this. I can't take it anymore.
Literally, I got both latches already. I don't.
Bro. We're fucked.
No, the other side. The one that from my side.
That one too. This side right here, I think.
Yeah. What a poor Raymond.
Here, let me help you.
Raymond's a real friend.
He really is. You actually are the realest friend. Fucking.
He said.
They're fake. You're real.
Dang, clutch.
Look at him, man. You're a real one.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta stomp this. I can't take it anymore. Keep doing what you're doing.
If Yachty was here, it would be so much easier.
I literally can't take it anymore. I literally cannot. I literally can't fucking take it. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Why are you still talking? This thing is.
Try to pull this. Try pulling it. Look, see.
What?
Thank you for opening boxes. Dark.
What's up?
Yo,
What's up?
are you coming right now?
Yeah, I'm coming.
There we go.
Like right now?
Like in like a minute.
Bro, you're a
Bro, I'll call you on Friday. Like, I don't know why he's being like that.
I can meet you guys there if anything.
what'd you say?
I can meet you guys there if anything.
Do you want us to leave that?
Yeah, that's cool.
How long are you
Look
gonna
pretty
be?
damn nice to me.
Probably like 5 minutes. I just gotta get this open.
Snaggy, he told me to break it. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Thank you
I just gotta get.
yeah.
Yeah.
He told me to break it.
Looks pretty damn good to me. Try it out.
Literally.
How do you use this?
Why can't it just be in a normal?
Why is it not going
A
up?
normal package.
This is. Is this supposed to? Is this supposed to go up?
He said only the top ones needed it, and they're
So
all.
then how? Dude, I'm calling him right now. I don't think the side comes off.
Yeah, let me see it again.
He called me. He called me again.
Do you see what I just sent you?
Let me watch it real quick.
That's how.
This is the hardest box in the world.
It's an instructional video on how to open a box. I just sent it.
Okay, I'm gonna watch right now.
Hi.
Be safe as you pry the crate open. This tool has been included on the outside of your crate for your convenience, so that you can easily lift.
What?
Yeah.
How the fuck does he do that?
Why was it?
Oh, they're saying turn it. Flip it. They're saying flip it over. Oh!
What?
I think that's the top right there. Oh! I can't take his fucking voice anymore. I really can't. What?
Raymond, let's paint your nails white.
I wanted to do them black.
Huh?
I wanted to do them black.
You want black?
Yeah.
What do you black do? This is gray, I think. Aiden, what color you want?
Huh?
What color you want? I wanted
Black.
white. I've been wanting it. You want black?
Yeah. Wait, other way. My bad.
Wait, so it's not the top?
The other one, I think.
Other way.
This way?
Oh, this. Right?
Oh.
Oh! This way! Oh!
Okay, it's about to open.
It is?
I'll just leave it for-
This should just pop off, yeah?
After I get.
Oh, this one. Yeah. It's literally right there. Got it. I don't want that in my fucking room, bro. Look at... It's gonna be so messy.
Don't be shy, start digging.
Don't be shy, start digging.
Okay, we got some gloves.
Alright, come on. Let's do this shit, bro. Should we just get the fucking room messy? Fuck it.
Gloves.
I put fucking trash bags in here the other day. I don't know where they're at. You guys didn't leave?
I just texted you. We have a black XL. Just come.
Very nice. Okay, don't be shy, start digging. It's gonna get messy. Fuck it, it's fine.
There's a piece of concrete in there.
What? Concrete? It smells...
Fucking hammer, bro.
Give me 1 second.
Oh, he's gonna break the yachty thing.
Give it to him.
What? Hey, are you watching?
Here you go. Yes.
You're so handsome.
This whole thing.
I have to be here for this whole thing.
Really?
Here, wait.
That's what I was looking for.
I did that anyway.
Thank you.
Why are you always wearing a mask, Ross? You're in a house with
Yeah, you always wear a
You're in
mask.
a house with people.
Yeah.
And you always say somebody smells.
It didn't
right?
smell, so.
I smell good. I always smell good.
Did you actually have to do it for the whole thing?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Shout out to Crete, man. Shout out to Crete.
You might have to use me to. I thought you just needed to get this over.
Yeah, I can make you it. He's still talking.
He doesn't shut the fuck up!
You didn't hurry because they won't see us unless we're all there.
Alright.
Oh,
So.
Alright, I'll leave it right
I don't want to get like electrocuted or some shit. Hey, can I get electrocuted from this shit? Can I get electrocuted? Yeah, bro, it's about to stun me.
Bro,
Put this in the bag.
No wonder why this was so heavy, bro. With the fucking
You put
brick.
concrete in it?
There's literally a brick in it.
It's a brick? Bro.
Look at this.
Here, hold on, let me help you lift that. I'll get one side. Hold on, we gotta dig more, maybe. It'll be less heavy. Here, put this in here. What the fuck am I doing? Okay, you gotta grab one side, I grab the other. Ready? Do not drop it on me. Do not drop it on me. Okay, set it down right here. Okay, good job, good job, good job.
You can't go without these
What's that?
safety goggles.
Safety goggles?
Yeah.
What the fuck am I doing right now?
This ice was expired.
Huh?
This ice was expired.
It's fire because probably the brick and shit. What the fuck? These goggles make you feel like you're so tall. Okay, so I gotta flip it this way. Can you guys see the... No, they can't. I have to move back. You guys see over here?
You have to break it open?
I think I have to hit it right here, right here, right here. I have to literally break it.
Over here?
Yeah, hold on. Back up. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, cool. This is so fucking weird. Wait, they're saying other side. No, you do it right here?
Hey, you wanna know what she said?
Do it on live, move back.
Yesterday when I said, yeah, give me your number so we can FaceTime, she was like, bold. I thought I was bold, and I was like, you're not down or what? She's like, are you? And I was like, yeah, give me your number and we can catch up on FaceTime. And she's,
Hey, this is a good profile picture.
give me your numbers and we can catch up on FaceTime.
Who took the picture?
Finesse.
Hey, take a picture, man. I'm gonna put this on my Twitter.
Are you excited?
Low key.
Can you unlock for me? Just swipe up.
I'm gonna get to the camera.
You gotta get the creep. You gotta get the creep, man. I'm gonna tweet it out real quick. Actually, I'll do it after. Okay, let's fucking do this shit, bro. I have to break this fucking concrete. Bro, this is gonna go. Should I put something under it, you think, or no?
I'll do like a towel.
A towel?
This towel right here. Does this towel have any significance?
Chill. We haven't used that. Never mind.
No.
Alright, can you help me lift it on this towel? You didn't touch the part that you know what. You're such a good boy.
Yeah.
Wait, Adin, move the chair. I want to see.
Can you move that chair? Thanks, honey. Alright. Fuck y'all.
Hit it with the spiky part, see what happens.
This part?
Yeah.
No, that's
Yeah.
probably towards like the actual like end.
Is this real concrete?
Yeah. Dude, my room's gonna get fucked up, bro.
Well, vacuuming.
Okay.
You got Maria. Call it from Marie. Yeah.
Fuck, bro, it's everywhere. It's gonna get on my shirt too. Fuck. Dude! It's getting everywhere, bro. I'm not going outside. It's already too late, bro. It's already too late. What's that?
It's part of the box.
Oh my god, this fucking little boat bitch, bro.
Yeah.
FaceTime Lil Yachty.
It's 56.
Dude!
What is it?
It's getting all over my fucking floor, bro!
Okay, let's say for one using the wrong side of the hammer. Ask me what.
This one?
You use the pointy side.
The pointy side? Alright, what next?
You should probably just do it outside, bro.
It's already too late. Why did you tell me that earlier, babe?
I did. Whoa, bro.
Dude, I'm literally fucked. My room's gonna be so messy.
put 2 towels down, bro.
Alright, fuck it. I'm not gonna be a little bitch. So just use this pointy side, I'll be good?
Yeah, just thug it out for me.
I'll thug it out.
Yeah, thug it out.
Gotta thug this out, bro. Jesus, it's getting in my fucking mouth.
Let me get a few swings at it.
Go ahead, bro. Let me take a break.
Right on the X. Yeah.
It's getting everywhere. I hear it just flying all over my fucking room.
Yeah.
I got it. You gotta do some dents. Watch this shit. Does my ass look nice?
Yeah.
My whole room is ruined, bro.
Ruined.
Huh?
Ruined.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, why are you looking at my ass?
You asked me if it looked nice.
Why are you directly behind him? Too?
Yeah, you're
I'm on the bed. He's the one making like the effort to squat that fast.
No, that's bad.
You're almost there.
Oh, it's called my beard. It's disgusting.
Today you're a construction worker.
Nice.
Yeah.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Wait, the good thing you got the safety goggles, like I told you.
Yeah, no, for real. Fucking fuck. I'm gonna close my mouth. I'm gonna stop being a little bitch and just bug it out.
Maria's gonna fucking hate you.
Yeah, the housekeeper's gonna get really mad. Fuck. Yeah, Ziaz would break this shit in like 2 swings. No way somebody said W. Snaggy, why are you giving that attention, bro?
God damn it, Snaggy.
No, Snaggy.
God damn it, Snaggy.
Why are you looking at me like that? Ooh, I'm in there. Why is it getting stuck? What the fuck is that?
Yeah, someone said W stepsis.
I'm tired, bro.
You got Thuggy. You told Yachty you would thug it.
Fuck. I've only gotten the dent in, bro. Like, I'm nowhere near finished with this shit. Baby, what do I do?
What's inside it?
What?
What's inside it?
I don't know yet, baby. What do I do?
Thug it out.
Plug it out?
Mm.
Why is it getting cold right there? Do you think the housekeeper's gonna be mad?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, don't breathe in.
Give it like in that same spot, like 3 of your hardest swings.
Oh, I have no energy now. I'm tired. It's a whole fucking workout.
You're almost there.
I am?
Yeah.
See, it's 2021 still. I haven't even gotten in the gym yet. Once I get in the gym, I'm going after your, you guys tell me who to box and shit. I'm be the #1 boxer in the world for my height and my weight and shit, so letting you guys know right now, it's 2022, the boxing gloves are coming on. Look at the fucking title. Read it out loud. Read that out loud.
Yeah.
Read it.
Scrawny dad works hard labor just to paint his nails.
That shit mega funny.
He's a construction worker for today.
Fuck, bro. Why? Where's Zias when you need him? Can you give me a Gatorade from downstairs?
There's no Gatorade.
In the fridge. Down there. In our room. Please, I need it. I'm dying,
You
bro.
guys already set up the fridge?
Yes.
Yeah, me and Lane were bored.
You can get a Mountain
And
Dew
your
in there.
drinks are there too, yeah.
Mountain Dews?
Yes. Please, I need a Gatorade.
Everything.
So bad, I'm dying. Thank you so much. I also got you a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Yes,
like
wait.
4 hours ago.
Baby, what do I do?
You should have done this outside.
Should have, could have, would have. It's too late.
Alright.
Do you think the maid's gonna be unhappy?
Yeah. You can vacuum it though.
Hit the X, bro.
Yeah, the middle.
It's
Yeah,
literally
it's
getting.
working.
It's getting all over my face. It is working. You're right.
Your room's already fucked up. It's okay.
All right, can you take some swings while I drink this real quick?
I want to see you check it out.
You want to wear my mask and shit? You want to put on these goggles real quick?
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm chilling.
Y'all look so funny. You look like Minecraft.
Oh, hit the other X.
I hit something.
No, I think we gotta hit around it. We gotta break the X's. Hurry up, bitch. All right, fuck this shit. Come on. Come here, Ray. Jesus Christ, dude.
You came up
What the fuck? Dude. Dude. Ow. Fuck. All right, give me this shit.
Look,
Hit your face?
No way.
What?
Yeah.
It's getting in the bed.
Look, you see, you feel something right here.
Probably the box we gotta open. Alright. Lil Adin, you're weird as fuck, bro. You're actually so fucking weird for making this shit. You could've just given me a fucking box. Like, what? Is it getting on you?
I say you just hit more towards where we already got it.
You think right here in the middle?
Yeah, because I already felt something right there.
Chat, middle or X's?
This shit went in my mouth.
It went in your mouth?
That's fucked.
I'm sorry, baby.
Why are you sorry?
That we're doing this.
Yeah, don't be sorry.
For real.
There it is. There's a box right there.
See?
How do we get in there, though? I think if we hit the X's. All right, call this motherfucker up, bro. FaceTime Lil Yachty. Oh, he said hit the corners. Hit the corners real quick. Dude!
You know, if you hit the four corners, it's just gonna literally disintegrate. It's gonna crack open.
Okay.
Like you don't have to literally break it down. Like if you hit the four corners, it's gonna like just.
Dude, why did you make this shit so hard?
Cause it's concrete, bro.
Oh.
Concrete.
It's concrete boat.
Yeah, concrete with bro. My label.
Oh. Alright, so if I just hit the rest of these X's, it'll open.
Literally, it'll fall apart.
It'll all fall apart.
Yeah, if you hit, that's why it's the X's it in.
Is it hitting you in the face?
Yeah.
Put the blanket over your head. Wait, it's gonna disintegrate?
Disintegrate, bro. Like fall apart.
Okay, alright, so if I just keep smacking the fuck out of the corners.
Yes, the four corner lid. If you hit them, you already hit the first top left one. Do the other three like that. It's gonna fall apart.
Promise?
I saw it happen earlier.
Pinky promise?
Not a pinky promise.
Alright, Yachty, I got you.
Thank you.
Yup. Oh, there we go. I think you just gotta do this last corner right here. Come here, bitch.
Yeah.
Is the room messy?
Yeah. There's shit in the bed.
There's stuff in the bed?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, bro.
Bro, what the fuck is this? This is your bedroom. That shit crazy.
Mike, why are you guys spamming BLM, bro? Oh my god, bro. L cardio, LIQ, L room. You're so weak.
Yeah, you're not gonna keep hitting it. Do I not have a little dinner to attend?
This poor one.
Well, said they can't seat them until I get there.
It's not this scent. What is the word?
Centigrade?
It's not.
That's not even the right word.
He lied. Yachty! What the fuck, dude? What more do I have to do?
Try that one.
This one?
Go inside more.
Inside where? Here?
Yeah.
Just hitting my fucking head on the stone.
Smack me.
Oh, for real. Ooh.
What?
Damn.
It's flying everywhere. Yo,
I heard Yachty talking still.
You know, I hear him talking too. I think it's in here. That's probably.
He's talking in the concert.
Why is this one not going, bro?
Wait, is it the same box that you just opened?
Is it?
He said that was a backup, just in case.
So you think I'm breaking the same box that I just opened?
Yeah, maybe. 'Cause I feel like it could fit in there, no?
This could have all been avoided if okay. If I open this shit up and it's the same exact thing, look, I'm literally throwing hands with you. I swear I am, bro. I'm actually gonna punch you in the fucking face in GTA 5.
I really think it's the same box.
You think it's the same box?
Yeah.
It better not be, bro. It really better not be.
Really send an extra one just in case it's too weak to open.
Mike, please.
What it?
Mike,
I was
we
telling
picture
him-
how-
Please, Mike, please. Do
Maria's not gonna be happy with him.
you think Maria's gonna be upset?
She's gonna be fucking furious, bro.
Here,
I
you
just
wanna
want to make sure that what is. Let me ask you: is there any chance this is like a troll? Like, there's no chance of this.
No. Here, can you?
Pammy, this is.
What do you want to put?
What you're saying.
Jesus Christ! You're actually a threat. Yo, dude!
Hey!
What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. It's so smoky in this room.
I know.
There it is.
Oh, shit. Mike, what did she do to you?
Mike is an actual dad.
Hey, you're literally a dad. See, I'm not ready for this dad life shit.
For real.
I'm not ready for that yet. So you think the housekeeper's gonna be upset?
Yeah, look at the.
What?
Don't tell me it's just a. If it's a box, I'm gonna be so fucking mad if it's the same box. Uh-oh.
It's all going in my fucking eyes.
Do you want goggles? Jesus, why are you...
What?
Fuck!
God damn!
No ways.
Yachty, don't tell... Thank you, Mike. You're awesome. Clapping for Mike, bro. W Mike in the... Okay, well, first of all, it's broke. Bro! It's the same box, bro!
Yo! What?
Dude!
It's. What is it?
I can't pick down my gloves. Yeah, now it's just... Okay. It's literally just a broken version of the little...
What is this?
Literally, I broke that for nothing.
What? No, but what is this, Adin?
I don't know. Is that a bomb? What is that? Show them. Bro, Yachty, did you put C4 in my fucking...
It's completely destroyed.
Bro.
In every way, shape, and form, bro. Wait. Dude. Maria's gonna fucking kill you, bro.
In GTA. Wait.
In GTA.
And you know what's crazy?
Should we just smash this too? Maybe there's something inside of it.
I already know what it is. It's the nail polish. I do gotta say one thing.
What?
It's just crazy. We just got the carpets cleaned too. So now what?
I don't understand what what the whole point of all that
For
was.
nail polish, this stuff.
He just gave you nail polish that you could sniff on stream?
No, I'm just seeing if this is nail polish.
Raymond, you're so funny.
Are you sure we shouldn't? Oh, so if I open this, it's more.
Yes.
Bro, it's fucking nail polish, bro. Why do you have to put it inside
Hold
a
on,
fucking impenetrable concrete brick?
Let me call him up.
Aiden, do you hear what I'm saying? Why do you have to put it inside an impenetrable concrete brick?
Ask
if it's just nail polish. Why did it have to go in an impenetrable concrete brick, Yachty?
Y'all just did all that thing in the same box.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What the fuck,
Dude! My entire room, bro!
It's trashed.
Now you have to let me stay with you in your room.
Ew!
Hey, I appreciate the nail polish. I'll do some of my nails right now for you.
Thank you, bro. Wait, let me see it, Ryan.
You ruined it.
Oh my, look, Mitch.
Yeah, Mitch, look.
God dang, bro.
Well, I appreciate you. It means a lot.
Yeah, thanks.